So now that we have looked at all the available compute services, let's understand the use case. Now this is going to help you handpick the best of the breed compute services based on the application you plan to deploy. On this spectrum, you have various compute services. This spectrum starts with Google Compute Engine and ends with Google Cloud Run functions. On the extreme left, you have GCE, which is highly customizable. You can SSH into the VM, take the driver's seat and completely control everything from the infrastructure to your application. But you need to be an expert in infrastructure and operations and DevOps when you are doing that. Now on the other hand, at the other end of the spectrum, you have cloud functions, cloud run functions. So here you don't have to provision anything, you don't have to manage any policies, you don't have to scale, you don't have to monitor anything. Just bring your function, deploy it, and then just watch the application running and scaling by itself. This is highly managed, but you lose certain parameters and certain attributes like taking control of your application. So one is highly managed, it's auto controlled and auto managed by Google, and on the other side you have Compute Engine. And in between these two you have Kubernetes Engine, which is managed Kubernetes environment to run containerized workloads. You have App Engine and App Engine Flex, standard and flex, that give you a mechanism to run the code. And Google Cloud Run is again a serverless container execution environment. And finally you have Cloud Run functions. So as you navigate from Compute Engine towards Cloud Run functions, you lose the level of control and customization, but you gain more and more of manageability and ease of use. So depending on what you are running, you can choose this. To help you further visualize and understand how these things fit in, here is the use case table. So GCE is an LAS. The key feature here is a virtual machine, highly customized workloads. You want to run SAP, you want to run an older version of Oracle, you want to bring in an internal payroll management system, then Compute Engine is for you. You're building a brand new containerized services, microservice based application, and you want to scale it and you want to run it in a full blown microservices model. GKE or Google Kubernetes Engine is for you. Targeted towards container and microservices and best known for running containerized workloads. If you don't want to care about anything, but you want to bring your code, multiple code snippets, multiple functions and the entire application as a code and deploy it and scale it, you can do it with the App Engine, which is a platform as a service offering, and it comes with a managed runtime. It is great for running line of business applications or web applications that come with complex custom logic and custom code. Google Cloud Run is a PaaS, but targeting more of container and microservices. It's great for running HTTP based event driven containerized application. This is good when you are running a handful of containers. If you have more than a few containers and you want to orchestrate all of them and it becomes difficult for you to manage it within Cloud Run, then you should graduate to Kubernetes Engine and deploy your application there. If you're bringing in a function that is invoked by an event and you want a piece to run your function, then Google Cloud Run function is for you. It is functions as a service offering. The deployable unit there is a function and it is completely event driven, which means it is invoked by an external event as a trigger. It does its job and automatically gets terminated. So depending on the attributes and characteristics of your application, you can choose one of these computer offerings from Google Cloud. So I hope this section gave you a good overview of available key compute services and also help you choose the best depending on your application. Thanks for being with me so far, and we will continue this journey together. Stay tuned.